Welcome back to Masters of Chemistry. Myself Pandurang. So today's video all about the candidates who are interested in teaching and wanted to make their career inside the teaching. So here is a good news came from the Gulbarga University for the post of guest lecturers in various subjects. They released a notification for walk-in interviews in main campus Gulbarga University, Kalburgi for the academic year of 2021 and 2022. So the various vacancies are available in main campus as well as the various PG centers under this Gulbarga University. The date of release of this notification is 16th of February 2022. Now the eligibility criteria for the post of guest lecturers is the candidate must have to complete their master's degree in their relative subjects, and along all PhD candidates also are there, and with they have to pass the set or net, which is mandatory. Set means the state eligibility test and national eligibility test. So there are number of subjects and number of posts are available for that subjects. One by one we can discuss. The first one is for biochemistry. The working hours are 52 and date of interview is 23rd of February 2022. Next one is for biotechnology. The working hours are 24. The date of interview is 23rd of February 2022. Next one is the for zoology. The working hours are 34. Date of interview is 23rd of February 2022. Next, in case of chemistry, the working hour is 39. The date of interview is 23rd February. For the post of physical, in case of physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry and analytical chemistry. So in case of environmental science, the working hour are 46. Date of interview is 23rd of February 2022. Next one in material science, the working hour are 10 working hours and the date of interview is 23rd February 2022. Next one is the zoology. The working hours are 48. Date of interview is 23rd of February. Next, in case of computer science, working hours are 24 and date of interview is 23rd of February 2022. Next, in art, the vacancies in Hindi. The subject is Hindi. The working hours is 17 working hours. Date of interview is 25th of February. Next, in case of music, the date of interview is 25th February. The working hours are 25. Next, in education, any education subject, the working hours is 87 and date of interview is 23rd of February 2022. In law, the vacancies are there for the law students and the working hour is 14 working hours. Date of interview is 25th of February 2022. Next, in economics, the working hour is 38 working hours and the date of interview is 24th of February 2022. Next, in case of art, again the vacancies for in English subject, the number of working hours are 13. Date of interview is 25th of February 2022. Next, again in case of economics, for economics candidates having the vacancy in economics, the number of working hours is 16 and date of interview is 24th of February 2022. So the interested candidate can attend this interview along with the relevant documents. So documents required at the time of attending the interview is: first documents is biodata, so your biodata must be required. Second important documents is degree certificate or post graduation certificate. Third one is the your net gate or net or set qualified certificate, and the reporting timing for attending this interview is 10 o'clock morning inside the Syndicate Hall, Gulbarga University, Kalburgi main campus. So this is all about the interview for guest lecturers in Gulbarga University, Kalburgi. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video for more the candidates who are interested in the teaching, so can they apply and become their passion. So thank you for watching.